Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change weight in MyFitnessPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your weight in MyFitnessPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal. Then click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Next, go ahead and click on My Profile, then click on Edit Profile. Then towards the bottom, you're going to be able to click on Units. So click on Units. So this is where you can actually change your weight between pounds, kilograms, or stones. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your weight in MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.